In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the lightning animation effect in chess.com, also known as arcade mode. This is a really cool visual upgrade that makes your games feel more dynamic and exciting, especially when pieces move or captures happen. The best part is that it only takes a few clicks to enable. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple chess tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open chess.com in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom left corner of the sidebar. You'll see a small gear icon, which is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. After the settings panel opens, you want to find and click on the section labeled Board and Pieces. This is where all the visual customization options for your chessboard live, including themes, piece styles, and animations. Now, inside the Board and Pieces section, look for the option called Piece Animations. There will be a drop-down menu next to it. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a few different animation styles available. What you want to select here is Arcade. As soon as you select Arcade, chess.com will enable the lightning style animation effects. This is what gives you that flashy electric style movement when pieces are played, making your games look much more engaging. Now, if you want to make the lightning animation stand out even more, there are a couple of recommended visual settings you can apply. Stay in the same Board and Pieces section and look for the Pieces option. Change your piece style to ICC. Then, find the board setting and also switch it to ICC. This combination really enhances the brightness and contrast of the animation effects, making them more noticeable. Of course, you can experiment with different board and piece combinations depending on your personal preference, but ICC is a great place to start if you want that strong lightning effect. Once you've applied these settings, you're all set. Start a game and you'll immediately notice the difference in how the animations look and feel. And that's it. Super quick and easy. You've now enabled the lightning animation on chess.com and customized it for the best visual experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.